What is the value of the expression 12 plus 12 divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by open parenthesis 5 plus 1 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is so tricky that a lot of people get the wrong answer. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. To solve this question, most people first focus on the addition between 12 and 12. And they rewrite the whole expression as 24 divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they usually move on to the exponent and write this expression as 24 divided by 4 multiplied by 5 plus 1 inside the parentheses. Then, they handle the division between 24 and 4 and replace this expression with 6 multiplied by 5 plus 1 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they focus on the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 6. So, this expression becomes 6 multiplied by 6, which finally gives them the answer 36. Then, they quickly look at the options and choose option D as the correct answer to this question. But, I have to say, we're tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people when solving this question first focus on the expression inside the parentheses and replace the whole expression with 12 plus 12 divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 6. And the next step, they usually go to the exponent and simplify to 12 plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 6. Then, they perform the multiplication between 4 and 6 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 12 plus 12 divided by 24. And the final step, they focus on the division between 12 and 24 because they think division has higher priority than addition. And they replace this expression with 12 plus 0.5, which finally gives them the answer 12.5. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option B. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's go step by step together and show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order following the PEMDAS rule from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, and after that we have an exponent, then a multiplication, and finally parentheses. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we should start with the parentheses because parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. So, we can rewrite this expression as 12 plus 12 divided by 2 to the power of 2 times 6. And the next step, we go to the exponent because after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 12 plus 12 divided by 4 times 6. Then, we must perform the division and multiplication. However, it's really important to understand that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this situation, we must start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first you do the division between 12 and 4, and this expression simplifies to 12 plus 3, then times 6. And the final step, we perform the multiplication between 3 and 6, which simplifies this expression to 12 plus 18. And finally, the value of this expression will be 30. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question.